Hi all you wonderful quilters, it's Cathy with True Cotton Company in Carmel, Indiana. Just wanted to do a quick video today to show you the Love Notions laundry t-shirt that I made. We don't sell any of these products in the store, but I do want to start sewing some of my own clothes in 2023, and so I'm really proud of this first finish. This is a pattern that you can get on Love Notions. They do PDF patterns and projector patterns. And it's $5 on their website, but if you join their support group on Facebook, you can get the pattern for free. They have a code in the announcement section. And I thought this was a really lovely shirt. Now, I did not mean to make this V-neck. I wanted to do a scoop neck. I thought that would be easier for my first shirt, but I think this turned out quite nicely. And I'm really happy with it. This is an art gallery knit fabric. It's 95% cotton and 5% spandex. It has a lot of horizontal stretch, which I thought would be really nice, but a little less on the vertical stretch, which I was hoping to keep its shape really nicely as I wear it. And I think this is a beautiful fabric and beautiful fit. It is so soft and comfortable. I was really proud of myself for making it, and so I hope if you're all sewing something, you do win that game of Bob and Chicken. Have a great day. Do like and subscribe, and we'll see you back tomorrow with another video. We're doing a little shop tour tomorrow. I forgot what I was doing. But yeah, you can take a look around the shop tomorrow. So we'll see you back then. I'll see you soon. Bye.